Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel premium on Widgetable. If you purchased the premium or the pro version of Widgetable and now you want to cancel the premium membership, then you can with a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First, you need to go to your Widgetable application. Then at the bottom right corner, you will find more option. And here, down at the right down of your profile section, you will find the pro version of Widgetable. Then click on it. And from here, you can find the premium pricing plans for like lifetime, yearly, monthly, and you can purchase on. But in this video we are talking about how we can cancel the premium membership. So you can cancel the subscription anytime. You will find the cancellation process or cancellation button anywhere in this section, so don't worry, just find it with attention and you will find the cancel button in this section. Also, you can cancel this subscription by your Play Stores. Just you need to go to your profile, click on this profile button at the top right corner and click on payment and subscription, and the second option, subscription. Here you will find the purchased premium plan of Widgetable, and from here you can easily cancel the subscription. You just need to verify your identity and confirm the cancellation process. Then you will get an email from Widgetable about the cancellation process that are executed successfully. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.